Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, brushed aluminum running boards, 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. This one also does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you active LED headlamps and adaptive high beam assist. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Standard on the GLS is our 3rd row seating. Coming around back, we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, opening up the tailgate. We've got a power lift gate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down 3rd row seats. And alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, aluminum trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. This one also does come with the parking assist package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS has 36,074 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.